Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn what is order by and group by in SQL Server. Order by. Order by statement is used to sort the result either in ascending order or descending order. The order by sorts the records in ascending order by default. If we are not mentioned any column to order by in ascending or descending order, it will by default it will give all the records of the column in ascending order. This is like select star from bonus ordered by salary. This is the sample query. We are selecting the table bonus and giving order by statement order by salary. Will give the all the values in the column in the table in ascending order by default. Let us see how to sort the records in descending order by using order by. Select star from table bonus ordered by the column salary in descending order. Let us see how it works practically. First, I'm creating a table called bonus executed. I'm inserting the data into my table successfully. Done. Select the table, select star from bonus. Here is my table. The column names worker reference ID, name, salary, bonus amount, and bonus date. Total I have 6 records, 6 rows in my table. Now let us see how order by statement works. We're using select star from table bonus ordered by column salary, and we are not using any option like ascending order or descending order. By default, it will give the column values in ascending order. Let us execute this query. See, the salary column is given order by in ascending order. 35,000, 40,000, 40,000, 45,000, 50,000, and 60,000. Now let us see how to give order by in descending order. Have selected the table, select star from bonus table, order by salary column in descending order. Let us execute this query. Table has been generated. The column salary has been ordered by descending order. In descending order 60,000, 50,000, 45,000, 40,000, 40,000, and 35,000. Will give the all the records in descending order. Now let us see one more example how to use different columns in using order by statement. Have selected the table, select star from bonus, order by the columns salary and bonus amount. It will give the all the records automatically in ascending order. Let us execute this query. I have selected the columns salary and bonus amount, and these two columns will give all the records in ascending order. Now let us see how to give order by statement for the column salary in ascending order and the column bonus amount in descending order. Let us see how it works. Let us execute this query. Sorry, bonus amount. Now let us execute this query. See, the column salary has been given in ascending order using order by, and the bonus amount column has been given all the values in descending order. Now let's see what is group by and how it works. The group by statement groups all the rows that have the same values the into single rows. See, here is an Exam syntax query. Select count count of the column name, comma, salary column from the table bonus, and we are using group by for the column salary. These group by statements are often used in aggregate functions like count, maximum, minimum, and sum average functions to group the result set by one or more columns. Let us see how this works practically. I have a table called bonus. Select star from bonus, and let us see what is count. Count is nothing but it will use the, suppose for a specific column name, will give the number of rows in the column. Select count of name the column in the table bonus and salary from the table bonus. We are using group by statement, group by using salary. Let us execute this query. See, it has given the count of column name and the salary. It is grouped by salary. We have two records with salary uh, 40,000. Value of salary equal to 40,000. So it was given by the count 2 and 40,000 as salary. And the rest of the rows we have only one count with distinct salary. Now let us see another example. Select count the column name and salary from the table bonus. We are using group by salary, and we are using order by on count the column name, and I want the values of the column name in descending order. Let us see how group by and order by works together. Let us execute this query. It has been given the count column name in descending order, and it was grouped by using salary. This is how the group by and order by works in SQL Server. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.